Well, among many other things, Bob Hoover was the consummate wingman. And so we think that one of the things that we can do to honor Bob's legacy is to name our Wingman Award the Bob Hoover Wingman Award. And the first recipient of the Bob Hoover Wingman Award is Rudy Malnati of the Chicago Air and Water Show. Rudy? It's particularly appropriate that Rudy be the recipient of the Bob Hoover Wingman Award because he has been such a steady friend and advocate of our industry over his time in the business. He started working for the Chicago Air and Water Show. It had a different name at the time, but he started working for the Chicago Air and Water Show when he was 8 years old. He was at the first ICAS convention in 1967 as a 7-year-old. That's not a joke. He actually was there as a. Oh, I see. He wasn't but 15 years old when the Golden Knights presented him with a baton at Show Center at the Chicago Air and Water Show. He started booking acts for the Chicago Air and Water Show at 15 years of age. Along the way, he's become synonymous with the Chicago Air and Water Show and our industry's greatest advocate. When the teams have needed him, when the business has needed him, he's been there through thick and through thin. That is the definition of a wingman, and it's the kind of person that Bob Hoover would want to recognize with this award. So thank you very much, Rudy, and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I was fortunate enough to see Bob back in the 60s when he was flying a P-51 Mustang in Chicago. And all I can say is I have a lot of friends in the room, a lot of friends in our business that we've lost. And all I can say is let's fly high and be safe all the time. Thank you, and God bless you.
Congratulations, Rudy. Outstanding.